Hi, I'm Bruce from Unior Bike Tools, here to introduce our cable housing cutters. Our cable housing cutters are made from a steel specifically for cutting tools. We then induction harden this steel to maintain a cutting edge that will last through thousands of cuts. We use a two-component handle for safety and ergonomics. We have a locking mechanism, so when you store this tool, you keep the cutting edges safely away from any other tools. The cutting edge and angles of our housing cutters are made specifically to cut and not crimp cable housing. We have a newly designed crimping mechanism to give you secure crimps on cable ends. Thank you for watching, and for more information about our cable housing cutters and our other great Unior Bike Tools, please visit uniorbiketools.com.